Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Poco C75 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, PIN or pattern. As you can see, incorrect PIN. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Press the volume up and power button together. Now side it up to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. Just press the volume up and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release the power button and keep pressing the volume up key. And now release. And here you can see it will send you in a main menu Xiaomi Hyper OS recovery. Here you can see reboot, wipe data, connect with MI assistant. Here volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data and confirm, and you can see back to main menu, and here we have wipe all data. Go to wipe all data and confirm, and you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Go to confirm and confirm it. Kindly wait. Now it is clearing data, and you can see data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu, reboot and reboot to system. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Poco C75 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.